Hi, welcome to Bright Road to Success. Today we are going to learn how to write a great topic sentence. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so that you can see additional lessons concerning writing topic sentences and also the entire writing process. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, when we think of the writing process, there are several stages. The first stage would be the pre-write, where you actually plan out your writing and how you're going to write it. The second phase would be the writing process or the writing stage, where you actually write your first draft. And then you go on to revising, editing, and then actually publishing your writing. Now, first of all, before you actually start writing, you have to know how to write good paragraphs. And so we're going to define exactly what is a good paragraph. Well, a paragraph is a group of sentences about one main idea. It can be short or long, but typically it's about 5 sentences. Now, you should always have a topic sentence, 3 supporting sentences at least, some transition words, and a conclusion sentence. So let's delve into this a little bit deeper. I'm going to give you an example of a good paragraph, and I'll read it for you. The warm weather allows me to play outside. First, I play under the sprinkler with my brother. Then we run through the water and scream each time. At night, I play hide and seek with my friends. Therefore, I love it when the weather is warm. So let's break this awesome paragraph down a little bit. First, you have your main idea. The warm weather allows me to play outside. Then you have your supporting sentences that actually go right up underneath the topic sentence. Those supporting sentences are: first, I play under the sprinkler with my brother. Then, we run through the water and scream each time. And then the last one is: at night, I play hide and seek with my friends. And then, of course, you have your conclusion sentence or concluding sentence, which is: therefore, I love it when the weather is warm. And we also have our transition words, which just helps us keep the flow of the paragraph going and helps the reader to understand what is happening in your paragraph. Now, transition words in this particular sentence are first, then, at night is a transition phrase, and then therefore. Exactly. There is your great example paragraph. So let's break it down a little bit further. I want you to think of a paragraph as a hamburger, and each part represents something. This top bun right here represents your topic sentence. It's the sentence that tells the reader what the main idea is in that entire paragraph. And then you, of course, have your supporting sentences, which would, of course, be your hamburger, your tomatoes and cheese and lettuce and everything. And then you have your concluding sentence, which this sentence kind of just refers to the topic sentence and sort of sums up the main idea of the paragraph. And we can't forget those transition words, which kind of go in between all of that good stuff in your hamburger. And of course, it goes between your topic sentence and your also your supporting sentences. All right, oops. Let's go here to transition words. I just want to touch on that briefly. Again, transition words just help the flow of the paragraph, or I'm sorry, of the sentences. Some transition words are words like likewise, then, next, first, for this reason, earlier, words of that nature. And we want to make sure again that we include them so that the actual paragraph will make sense. So let's go on to the steps to writing a good topic sentence. Well, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence summarizes the main idea of a paragraph. It's often the first sentence, but not always. And also, topic sentences tell the reader the most important thing to understand. So, let's do some mind mapping. And when we do, we want to ask ourselves 2 important questions. Number one, what am I writing about? Which becomes the main idea. And what do I know about the main idea? Which then becomes a support for the main idea. So let's say we were wanting to write a paragraph about the three branches of government. Well, let's start with a topic sentence. What do we know about the three branches of government? I think we know that we have to study the three branches of government in order to really understand them. So, if we know the main idea is three branches of government, and if our claim is that we have to study, and the support is that it makes it easier to understand the three branches of government when we do that, let's look at a great topic sentence for what we just talked about. The three branches of the U.S. government are easy to understand if you study them. The red words would be the main idea. The blue words would be your claim. And then, of course, the green words would then be your support. So that's a great sentence. Let's try it again. Some more mind mapping. This time we're going to talk about butterflies. Ask yourself those two important questions. What am I writing about? We know it's butterflies. What do I know about it? Well, we know that butterflies go through different stages of growth, and that our claim is that, well, the metamorphosis phase is pretty exciting. So, what can we do with that? How can we turn this information into a topic sentence? Here we go. All butterflies go through an exciting metamorphosis during the stages of growth. Butterflies, this is the main idea because it's what we're talking about. Our claim is that the metamorphosis phase is exciting, and the support is that that metamorphosis phase is also one of the stages that the butterfly experiences. All right, so let's try it together. Let's suppose we wanted to talk about online learning. Well, that would be our main idea. And what do we know or even think about online learning? Well, how about it becomes easier when you have access to technology? Because if you don't have a laptop or iPad or Chromebook, it's kind of impossible to do that online learning. So, again, how can we now turn this information into an awesome topic sentence? Here we go. When students have access to technology, online learning becomes more comfortable. The main idea is online learning because that's what we're talking about. The claim is it becomes more comfortable. And how does it become more comfortable? Well, once students have access to technology. And ding, there you have it. So, here are our great topic sentences again. The first one was for the three branches of government. Then we had one for the stages of the butterfly, and then we had one for online learning. Well, there you have it. Hopefully, you kind of understand a little bit better as to how you put together topic sentences. So, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the bell, and come back and join us for additional information and lessons on not only writing topic sentences, but also on the entire writing process. Okay, we will see you soon. Bye.